monitoring the flight in real time. And not just that, also some more breaking updates are telling us that senior advocate Krishnan will appear on behalf, D. Krishnan will appear on behalf of NIA in the Tahabur Rana case, while government-appointed public prosecutor Narendra Maan will assist Krishnan. Okay, this is a big update coming in right now on Republic TV because we have also told our viewers, remember a short while back, that the centre had appointed Narendra Maan to lead the legal proceedings in the Tahabur Rana case. And in a bigger update and in an additional update to that, the senior advocate D. Krishnan will appear on behalf of the NIA in the Tahabur Rana case, while government-appointed public prosecutor Narendra Maan will be assisting D. Krishnan. Okay, so let's go back to Rakshita, who's joining us, and she is right outside the special NIA court where we're expecting Tahabur Rana, the 2611 mastermind, to be produced. I want to go to you. Yes, getting some more updates coming in on this story. Senior advocate D. Krishnan will appear on behalf of the NIA in the case.
Absolutely, of course. Dayan Krishnan is a senior advocate, Shivangi, and he has expertise in extradition law. And this is, of course, a big diplomatic win, and, of course, the matter of extradition and the laws surrounding it, the laws at the center of it, and what really is required to fight such a case will be, of course, now the onus will be on Dayan Krishnan and the special public prosecutor. Of course, we told the name that was Narendra Maan, like we had Ujjwal Nikam being the special public prosecutor for the case that was fought against Ajmal Kasab. Now we have Dayan Krishnan. He is, of course, a very senior advocate, and he will be leading the NIA in the 2611 case. The arguments, of course, have all been compiled. The case, of course, is rock solid, as that we have been tracking. NIA has submitted several evidences to the court in the United States. Therefore, we saw that his extradition was approved despite his last-ditch attempts to evade the extradition.
We're getting some breaking updates.